What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer photos from your PC to your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. Swipe the notification panel down on your Android device and select File Transfer or Media Device if prompted. On your PC, open up your File Explorer. Navigate to This PC, My Computer. From here, you should be able to see your Android device among the drives installed or connected to your PC. Open the folder and find the DCIM folder. This is where photos from your media gallery are saved. Drag and drop the desired photos from your PC to your Android device. Now, let's explore the power of Google Drive for effortless photo transfers. Access Google Drive on your PC and log in to your Google account. Click the plus button and choose File Upload. Select the photos you want to transfer from your PC. Wait as Google Drive uploads the photos from your cloud storage. When this is done, download the Google Drive app on your Android device and log in with your Google account. Once logged in, you will see your saved images here. Cloud storage apps like Dropbox and OneDrive open up another avenue for photo transfers. Download and install the cloud storage app on both your PC and Android device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.